Сәлем достар. Сіздермен бірге әрине Kaz Games каналы. Біз бүгін әрине жалғастырамыз Minecraft хикаясын. Енді біз бастаймыз. Кеттік. Я біз осы жерден тоқтаған едік. Егер алдыңғы видеоны тамашалаған болсаңыздар, біз міне құрылыс алаңына келдік. Яғни біз тобымызбен тіркеліп, осы құрылыс сайыстарына қатысайын деп жатырмыз. Біз әрине криперді соғамыз. Егер көрсеңіздер, міне сундукты ашуға болады екен, ашып көрейік.
Nope.
Я ештеңе жоқ екен. Біз өз командамызға барайық. Өте өкінішті.
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon? Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon. We're gonna lose.
What are you worried about? We got this.
Who are we kidding? We've got nothing.
We've got a mascot.
We should probably stop staring at them.
Look, it's the Order of the Losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking.
There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink. I'm talking about your pig. I'm saying he's food.
Reuben is not food.
Could have fooled me. He looks delicious.
That sounded like a weird compliment.
You'll have to eat me first.
Let's hope it doesn't come to that.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys,
Hey, Petra.
how's the build going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that nether star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a
You
problem.
help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where to find you.
Exactly.
No hard feelings, guys. And if you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and, you know, make this about how cool our builds are?
May the best team win.
Careful what you wish for.
We'll see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet, in person, Gabriel the Warrior.
Ocelot! Ocelot! Ocelot!
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the...
Толчок строителей.
the Builder Bump.
Designated crafting areas for any reason. And please try not to damage each other on your way to the center.
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can do this. Just stick to the plan and everything will be fine.
Have fun. That's
This year, the Dead Enders can't lose.
best.
Let's do it.
Building starts now.
Басталайын деп жатыр міне. Бастыру ойыны. Бастырып жатырық міне.
Oh no! A fireworks dispenser! I'm so scared!
You worry about your build, and we'll worry about ours.
Я міне біз криперді соғып жатырмыз. Байқаған болсаңыздар. Өте керемет. Иә.
Now,
Техникалық қалдықтар ренжімеңіздер.
Here goes nothing.
Oh man, that looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
The creeper was definitely the right way to go.
Biz de stand-up'ız.
Guys, people are looking at us. Good build, man. What?
Biz жеңетінімізге сенеміз.
It's just a bunch of dyed wool.
Whoops.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
It was Aiden, that
The lava's getting closer.
ruined the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
But our build is about to go up in flames.
You guys stay and save the build.
On it.
We've got it covered, Jesse. Be careful. We'll meet up with you at EnderCon.
Yeah.
Biz özümüzдің бой тұмарымызды іздейік.
Sonra izleyge kettik. Dostlarımızı kaldırıp.
Ruben, where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me.
Жақындатуға болмайды екен.
Ruben, where are you, buddy? Pig tracks.
Ешкім жоқ. Роббайымыз жоқ.
Kayda gitti ekan. Qay жаққа барамыз?
Қылышымызды аламыз. Керек болып қалады.
Өзі алады деп ойлаймын.
Ruben, I don't want to be out here in the dark. These definitely belong to a pig. There's no way Ruben made these on his own.
Өте қызық.
Mine sərbi жатыр. Onu alıb qacı çıxdı.
Hey, Ruben, I got a carrot for you. Where are you, buddy? Ruben, are you in there?
Роббайымыз қайда?
Stupid pigs. Ruben! No, not you, the pigs! Hey, all pigs but Ruben, shut up!
Роббайымыз
Yeah!
өте қызық. Керемет. Нағыз ойнайтын ойын екен.
Oynanızlar, tanış oynanızlar.
Ruben, it's getting scary out here!
Түсінде қорқынышты екен. Міне өзінің Рубеннің киімі.
Ruben! Oh no, you in there, buddy? Oh, jeez, please don't be toasted, Ruben.
Киім ғана. Өкінішті әзірге таппағанымызға.
Ruben?